Hello everyone, welcome to the world of think, create, explore and innovate. Now let us begin with the introduction of all the components in this Arduino Pro Plus kit. There are 17 components in this Arduino Pro Plus kit. This is a breadboard. It is divided into two halves, the first half and the second half. In the first half, the first 5 rows are horizontally shorted and the next 5 rows are horizontally shorted, while in the second half, the 5 holes are vertically shorted. Now, to connect components on this breadboard, we use several connecting wires. This is a female to female connecting wire, while this is a male to male connecting wire. This is an Arduino Uno board. On this Arduino Uno board, the right hand side pins are the digital pins, while on the left hand side, the lower left hand side are the analog pins, and the upper left hand side we have the power pins. Now this Arduino Uno board is connected to the laptop or a PC using this USB AB cable. This is a 9-volt battery. It has a positive terminal and a negative terminal. This is a battery connector. The red end tells us the positive terminal of the battery and the black end tells us the negative terminal of the battery. This is a Bluetooth module. It is used to connect the Arduino and the PC or the laptop with this Bluetooth module. This is an RFID reader module. It reads the code written on this RFID reader card and then grants the permission. This is an LED. The longer end is the positive terminal of the LED, while the shorter end is the negative terminal of the LED. We have LEDs in several colors. As you can see, here we have green, yellow and red LEDs. This is an ultrasonic sensor. It is used to measure the distance between this ultrasonic sensor and any object that is placed in front of it. This is a 16:2 LCD display. That is, it displays 16 characters in each of its 2 rows. These are the resistors. Several resistors have different values, and the values of these resistors can be deciphered using the color code resistor. This is all about the components in this Arduino Pro Plus kit. I hope you enjoy doing the activities, and the further description of these components and their activities are explained in the videos that you will see further. Thank you.